Hi guys, I'll be sharing with you this veggie stir fry sauce that everyone at home is gonna love. Let's get started. I'll be using chicken breast for this, cut into desired shapes, season with salt, seasoning powder, black pepper, white pepper, paprika, onion granules, ginger and garlic powder, and mix to combine. Set that aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now I'll be cutting my veggies. I have my tomatoes, carrot, onion, green bell pepper, red bell peppers, and yellow bell pepper, as well as my scotch bonnet pepper. Then in a pan, drizzle some oil, then turn in your marinated chicken and fry until brown. Scoop that out, then in the same pan, add a little bit of oil, then add in your cut onions and fry until fragrant. Go in with your tomatoes and scotch bonnet peppers, fry for 2 minutes. Season with ginger and garlic paste, curry powder for flavor and color, then seasoning cube as well. Then afterwards, go in with your carrot first, just because it needs to be a little bit tender than the veggies. Fry that for 2 minutes. Then go in with your bell peppers, stir that to combine, and pour in your fried chicken breast. Mix that together and our sauce is ready. Serve that with rice, boiled yam, boiled plantain, or you can even eat that like that if you're on a diet. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!
Sauced and bubbling, it's a foodie's beat. Grilling up love on a Friday Eve. In my kitchen kingdom you won't believe.